Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to create Google Workspace users by schedule using fanatical foresight. When a new employee, student, or team member joins your organization, having their Google Workspace account ready on time is essential, as delays can slow down onboarding and disrupt workflows. By scheduling user creation, you can ensure accounts are set up automatically right when you need them, without the hassle of manual work. That's where fanatical foresight comes in. This tool allows administrators to schedule and automate Google Workspace user account creation, streamlining the process and making onboarding seamless. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into fanatical foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Click the Create Users by Schedule template. In the Templates, go to Create Users by Schedule page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Create Users by Schedule will display. Click on the time trigger. In the Edit Triggers Time screen, at trigger time, select the time when the user is going to be created. In the Generate Password action, make the necessary adjustments to customize the password generation settings as needed. In the Create User action, in First Name, enter the first name of the new user. In Last Name, enter the last name of the new user. In the Primary Email, enter the primary email of the new user. In the Organization Unit path, enter the organizational unit for the new user. In the Secondary Work Email, enter the new user's personal email address. Optional, enter the other user information, such as manager's email, employee ID. Click the Email action. In the Edit Actions email screen, in Subject, customize the Welcome Email subject. In the email body, customize the welcome email content. Click Review. In the Review screen, in Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. To ensure that your rule setup automates as expected, it's essential to conduct a simple test. The following instructions demonstrate how fanatical foresight automates the creation of Google Workspace users by schedule. Go to fanatical foresight. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right of fanatical foresight. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. The new user's Gmail inbox will receive a personalized email with the user's first name, username, and password populated. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.